see tonal drawing as really painting in charcoal, in pastel, or what have you. I also see pigment. I see that as drawing with paint. So the two are really two sides of the same coin.
As the protege to the famous Fred Fixler, who worked directly under the legendary Frank Riley, Mark Westermo gained unrivaled knowledge of the Riley method for drawing the head, upon which he founded an illustrious career in Hollywood movie poster design. He later founded Associates in Art in Southern California, a top school for illustrators, from which many alumni became the who's who in the fields of figurative art. We hope that this series helps serve as part of his legacy.
And it'll give you a chance to see how the principles we've gone over of light and construction and abstraction, tonality, value control, and some of these principles will apply to drawing anything. So good luck in all that you're doing, and I think this will strengthen you. I certainly hope so. Thank you.